When it comes to boosting the value of your home, every detail counts. One often overlooked but highly impactful upgrade is door installation. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply looking to enhance your home's appeal, replacing old doors with high-quality, stylish new ones is a great way to increase your home's value. In Redmond, where homes range from modern townhouses to more traditional single-family homes, door installation is an investment that can yield significant returns. Here's how door installation in Redmond can increase your home's value. Improving curb appeal. First impressions matter, and the front door is one of the first things people notice when they approach your home. If your current door is outdated, damaged, or doesn't complement the style of your home, it can detract from your property's curb appeal. Replacing your front door with a new, modern design can dramatically improve your home's exterior, making it more inviting and attractive to potential buyers. A well-chosen door can set the tone for the rest of the property. For example, a sleek, contemporary steel or fiberglass door can enhance the modern appeal of a new build, while a classic wood door with intricate detailing may better suit a more traditional home. The right door can elevate the overall aesthetic of your home, making it more appealing to visitors and increasing its value in the process. Boosting energy efficiency. In Redmond, where temperatures can fluctuate, energy efficiency is a key selling point for homeowners. Older doors, especially those that are poorly insulated or have worn out weather stripping, can let drafts in, causing your home's HVAC system to work harder. This results in higher energy bills and an uncomfortable indoor environment. Replacing an old door with an energy-efficient one can make a noticeable difference. Modern doors often feature insulated cores, double or triple glazing, and energy-efficient coatings that help regulate the temperature inside your home. A well-installed, energy-efficient door can keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, reducing your reliance on heating and cooling systems. This not only makes your home more comfortable but also lowers utility costs, which is a major selling point for prospective buyers. In fact, many buyers are willing to pay a premium for homes with energy-efficient features, making door installation a wise investment. Increasing home security. Security is another major concern for homebuyers, and the front door plays a crucial role in keeping your home safe. An old or weak door can be easily compromised, putting your home and family at risk. By upgrading to a high-quality, modern door with advanced locking mechanisms, you significantly increase the security of your home. New doors, especially those made from steel or fiberglass, offer greater protection against forced entry. These doors are typically more durable and harder to break into than older wooden doors. Many modern doors also come with multi-point locking systems, which offer an added layer of security. Enhanced security features are appealing to buyers who want peace of mind knowing that their home is protected, making door installation a smart way to increase your home's value. Lowering maintenance costs. Over time, older doors can require frequent maintenance, including painting, sealing, and repairs. This can be both time-consuming and costly. By replacing your old doors with new, low-maintenance models, you can eliminate these ongoing expenses. Materials like fiberglass and steel are especially durable and resistant to the elements, requiring little to no maintenance compared to wood doors, which can warp, crack, or rot over time. In addition to saving money on maintenance, new doors are often built to last longer, providing value for years to come. When potential buyers see that your doors are new and built to withstand wear and tear, it gives them confidence in the overall condition of your home, which can increase its value. Enhancing interior appeal. While the front door often gets the most attention, interior doors are just as important when it comes to your home's value. New interior doors can update the look of your home's rooms, providing a modern or cohesive feel throughout the property. Whether you're upgrading bedroom doors, bathroom doors, or closet doors, new interior doors can make a big difference in how the space feels. For example, sleek, contemporary doors in a home office or living room can give the space a sophisticated, polished look. Interior doors with decorative elements such as glass inserts or custom hardware can enhance the appeal of your home, making it feel more high-end. This attention to detail can increase the perceived value of your home, especially when potential buyers notice the consistency and quality of finishes throughout the property. Appealing to potential buyers. Finally, new door installation in Redmond can make your home stand out in the real estate market. Many buyers are attracted to homes with updated, high-quality features that don't require immediate repairs or replacements. A new door gives buyers one less thing to worry about when considering a home, which can speed up the sale process. In Redmond, where homebuyers are looking for homes that offer both style and function, a modern, energy-efficient door can make a lasting impression. Homes with updated doors are perceived as more well-maintained, which can increase their perceived value. This simple upgrade can make a significant difference in how quickly your home sells and how much you can sell it for. Conclusion. Door installation is one of the easiest and most impactful upgrades you can make to increase your home's value in Redmond. From boosting curb appeal and energy efficiency to enhancing security and reducing maintenance costs, the benefits of new doors are clear. Whether you're preparing to sell your home or simply want to make it more comfortable and secure, installing new doors is a smart investment that can provide long-term returns. By choosing the right doors and working with a professional installation team, you can ensure that your home looks great and offers improved functionality for years to come.